In fields and forests, great and grand, the elephants roam across the land, majestic creatures, wise and strong, in their presence, we can't go wrong. Their trunks reach out, with gentle grace, as they wander, from place to place, with eyes that shine, like stars at night, they guide us on, to what's right. O elephants, how we marvel at thee, a symbol of nature's majesty, with ears so wide, and tusks so strong, you've been here, all along. Through fields and forests, you have roamed, a symbol of wisdom, the world has known, a creature so great, and yet so meek, our love for you, we cannot speak. O elephants, you hold our hearts, with your gentle nature, and your great smarts, we'll protect you, for all of time, and cherish you, in this rhyme. If you liked our video, please share and subscribe to our channel.